Hello and welcome, dear friends, to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment to look at the earlier videos so that you do not miss out on the important and valuable topics, information, tips, and offers, etc. that we covered in the earlier videos. If you have not done it already, please subscribe to this channel and push the notification icon so that you will be notified when a new video is posted. So let's get started on today's video, which is episode 4 in the series Foreign Workers and Newcomers to Canada account. We are going to cover in detail the offer, features, and tips. We are very much happy and excited for you as you embark on a new journey in this beautiful country, Canada. We are happy to be with you on this new beginning and can't wait to guide you through your new challenges. I'm positive that this video will help you a lot to ease out your financial journey. We'll make every effort to simplify and ease out this for you. Today we are joined by a lovely family who has recently moved to Canada with 2 young kids. Welcome to Canada, Mr. X. Hope you are doing well and you had a wonderful flight. I understand that you have recently relocated to Canada with your family of 2 young kids and your spouse.
Hello, it is so wonderful to be here finally. So nice to meet you as well. We are very much excited for this new journey and really looking forward to our session today.
We do have few questions, however. I think it would be nice to cover those towards the end of this session.
In our session today, we will cover the following topics, which will help you understand the banking system in Canada and provide you tools and resources to get started and achieve your financial success. We will go over what challenges you may face, different account types, and comparison of offers for newcomers in Canada for top 5 Canadian banks. We will wrap up the session with very useful tips and summary towards the end of the session. So I do understand that you have recently moved to Canada and there could be new challenges such as you'll have to adjust to new place, custom, work style, and climate. Things are a lot different and things could be different than way back home. So definitely it will take time for you to get used to the new place, build and develop new friends and network here. You'll also have to learn new ways to bank. There are a lot of things to understand. I can assure you that it's not at all difficult. So please take a time and get used to the banking system here. You'll also have to focus on building your credit history and credit report. So we will cover all of that and a lot more in this video. Something to keep in mind, a tip here would be you should think about building and growing your network. Once you land in Canada or once you are in Canada, try to meet as many new people as possible. Get familiar with the local custom here. Get yourself involved in local events. You can also volunteer in community events. There are a lot of free programs available at your library, and the immigration centers are set up to help you settle. Workers are temporary resident workers who has a valid work permit, and that work permit should be valid for at least 12 months. In order to open an account, you would require documents such as one photo identification, which is mostly a passport, and your work permit, which is IMM 1442 document. So you can either apply online or you can make an appointment in any of the banks, and then you can get started that way. A useful tip here would be there are a lot of attractive banking offers for foreign worker and newcomer. So make the most of it. Check with your friends. They might already have an account, so they can refer you. That way you both can make and earn money. There are some bonuses that you both may qualify and use the referral link. Once you have your account, you can then use your referral link and share with other newcomers, so that in that way you can also keep earning on those referral bonuses. For the Newcomer to Canada program is for someone who is a landed immigrant or has secured a permanent resident status in the last 5 years. So this program is available for someone who has recently secured a permanent residency or got a PR card. It also it's not just restrictive to the new PR applicants. Someone who has secured that permanent resident in the last 5 years can also avail these offers. There are a lot of good banking offers for PR card holder. The required documents in order to apply for this account is either a permanent resident card or a confirmation of permanent residency, which is COPR, and any other acceptable ID proof, such as your passport or a debit card or credit card from another financial institution. Again, for newcomer program as well, there are a lot of attractive banking offers, so make the most of it. Most of these offers could be combined with the referral program as well, so you can double up on those offers. Something to consider for anyone coming new to the Canada is definitely they will not have a credit score or a credit report. Everyone will be starting from scratch here. So in order to improve your credit score and make it really strong, there are 5 important things which really impacts the credit score, which are shown in this pie chart diagram. The most important thing that takes up that score is the payment history. So any late payments that you do on your credit product can really damage the score. But if you're making it on time, then everything should be fine. Also, the next big item is the debt owing. It means how much debt you owe. The more debt you owe in proportion to your credit limit, the lower your score is. So the key here is do not max out on your credit limit every time, every month. Keep it consistently within the limits, and if you would work it out in a way that it stays within 60 to 70% of the limit, that should be practically okay. Other things that also affect your credit score are 10% on the type of credit, managing which type of products you have, or you would be applying, like a student loan, car loans, other credit cards, and so on. New credit inquiry also constitutes about 10% of your credit score, so it may have like a 10% of impact on the credit score. So new credit means opening new credit account potentially does lower your score, so keep a check on it. Don't make like very frequent new credit inquiries within a certain period of time. And of course, the last thing would be the length of credit history. So the longer your credit history is, the better. So again, the tip here is summarized as do not miss any payments, or do not do late payments to your credit products, and don't max out your credit limit on the products. Coming up on to the big 5 bank comparison, RBC currently has some really nice offers for newcomers. There is a $0 monthly fee for 1 year for newcomers, and it comes with unlimited debit transactions, free Interact e-transfers. And the one good thing here is, well, actually, there are a couple of good freebies here. RBC also offers one book of 50 checks for free, and you can also get a free small safe deposit box for 2 years. So that could come in handy if you want to put in your valuable documents or your passport or anything like that in that safety deposit box. You do get 2 years of free safety deposit box. Again, please, for all the offers and details, you would have to refer to the RBC website for the details. TD, there are some good offers with TD Bank as well. The TD Bank is currently offering a free monthly checking account for 12 months, which is 1 year. They're also currently offering a bonus interest on your savings account and Visa credit card, and plus they are giving international money transfer. They will rebate you the transfer fee for up to 12 months. Scotia Bank, there are some good offers with Scotia Bank as well. Like pretty much, they also offer for 1 year a checking account free, no limited international money transfer, and Scotia Bank is also offering a free small deposit a box for 1 year, which comes with a value of $60. Again, there are some good offers, like you can get specialized mortgages for newcomers to Canada and credit card as well. So check out Scotia Bank for more details. Coming on to CIBC Bank, CIBC Bank offers a no monthly fee for 24 months, which is 2 years. Plus, they also offer $350 when you open a CIBC Smart account for newcomers. So in total, that's over $500 of value. The smart account comes with unlimited transactions, e-transfers, and one free non-CIBC ATM withdrawal in Canada. So you can either apply it online or you can make an appointment in your nearest branch. BMO has good offers as well. So for newcomers, there are current offers which will give you no monthly fees and unlimited transactions and e-transfer. BMO also offers a family bundle wherein you can have different accounts with your family members. We'll cover more of that in detail in later videos. So BMO is also giving away $450 as a welcome bonus on new checking accounts. Check out more detail.
Thank you so much for going over all of these important details. This helped us a lot. We very much appreciate it.
Yes. I agree, this was very informative session. We do have a few questions, first one being what would be your top 3 suggestions to a newcomer to Canada?
My top 3 suggestions would be to keep your credit score strong, make regular payments to your lending products such as credit card, and do not max out on your credit limit every month. If you build a strong credit score, it will help you in the future when you apply for mortgages or other lending products such as line of credits and etc. The second would be to make the best of banking offers for newcomers, shop around, do your own research, and try to maximize as much as possible on those new offers so that you can also earn a little bit on side other than your regular income. The third would be open to new ways of banking, such as digital banking, and also start investing as soon as possible. Please stay tuned for more information on digital banking and bank accounts. We are going to cover in detail about this in our next video.
Sure, this makes a lot of sense. Thank you for these tips. I am very much confident that this will be very much helpful to our family to get started and make our financial situation strong and better.
The next question we have is what banking products we should be looking for our kids.
Well, this is a very good question. First and foremost, you should consider opening a checking account for your little ones. Look at the earlier videos where we have covered accounts for youth, kids, and student in great detail. You should also consider applying for a registered education saving account, which is primarily intended to save for your child's education. We are going to cover this in a lot more detail in later video as well.
Finally, can you please cover which other banking products we should be consider exploring.
Once you have settled down, you should consider setting up TFSA and RRSP account. TFSA account is a tax-free savings account, which is primarily intended with an objective to set up an emergency fund. And RRSP account is a registered retirement saving account, which is primarily set up with an objective to plan for your retirement. All of these accounts we are going to cover in great details in the later videos, so please stay tuned. Coming on to the end of this video, in order to summarize, and there are some good tips that I want to share with you. So first of all, welcome to Canada. Things could be different, but I'm sure that you will do great and you would achieve success in no times. Banking is a little bit different, but again, like as and when you do more banking, you will get used to it. It's not at all difficult. The thing is to start early and start investing, start making your credit strong, and you will work on gathering as much as information as possible. Talk to your friends, colleagues, neighbors, do some research, and that way you will grow more confident. Look at the best offers at various banks. If you have already an account, you could still be eligible for other similar offers at other bank account. So do not limit yourself to just one financial institution or one bank. Try and get as much as benefit as possible from all the different type of banks that you can bank. Be careful to review and understand the offers, terms and conditions to meet the criteria, because if you do not meet the criteria, then you would lose on the offers as well. And a tip to share here is do not wait till the last time or do not wait before booking a meeting if you already have decided where to bank, because this will save you time, so you can book a meeting with an advisor even before landing in Canada. So with that, we are towards the end of this video. We wish you all the very best and hope you have a great financial success. Thank you for staying with us till the end of this video. In the next episode, we are going to cover digital bank and accounts. What are the features, different types of bank accounts, how much they offer as an interest rate, and what are the benefits of it.